pick me up at school.
No way. Are you excited?
And then we're gonna go camping.
You're going camping? Awesome.
We're going to camping tomorrow.
Where are you going camping at?
But Mama wants to go camping tomorrow.
With Tata?
Please.
And the boys?
Yeah.
Josh?
Hey, Mama. Where the boys can go camping and the talking go camping, and then we and Josh can go camping, please.
Okay. I'll think about it. But you're gonna go to, so Tata's gonna pick you up tomorrow.
Too.
Yeah.
I wanna go camping too, like the boys and Tata and Josh, and then I wanna go to his house, and then I want her to pick me up at school.
Okay.
I wanna do all that.
All of that?
Yeah.
Woo.
Hey, I wanna go camping tomorrow.
Okay, sounds perfect. Yay.